For a lighter take on the traditional pumpkin pie, try whipping up this pumpkin mousse. It's just a fluffier version of your favorite fall flavors. It's basically a no-bake pumpkin pie, which makes it way easier and way faster. We've also got this perfect hack to make mousse even easier than pie. This recipe is under 10 ingredients, and one of them you'd never expect. What is it, you ask? Wait for it. Let's get started. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a large pan. Now let's add that special ingredient. Add in a package of 24 marshmallows. They've already got the fluffiness and the sweetness you'll want. Mix in a half a cup of milk and a half a cup of canned or homemade pumpkin puree. Stir frequently over medium heat until completely melted and smooth. Remove from the heat and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. If you don't have packaged pumpkin pie spice, you can make your own by simply mixing cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves. Let this mixture cool completely. In a separate bowl, combine 1/3 cup of powdered sugar and 1 cup heavy cream or chilled evaporated milk. Beat with an electric mixer until you get those luscious stiff peaks. Set that aside and grab your cooled pumpkin mixture. Fold your whipped cream into the cooled pumpkin mixture in batches, first to lighten the mixture, then to add lots of fluff. Pour or pipe into ramekins, decorative cups, or even chocolate shells. Cover and refrigerate for about 2 hours or until firm. Then pipe on your whipped cream and enjoy! What do you think about making pumpkin mousse with marshmallows? If you try out this recipe, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe!